At this stage, we are following the developments. We've said repeatedly and at several occasions that the results of the recent parliamentary elections must be respected and the current uncertainty must end, and the government must be established without further delay based on the parliamentary majority that is there. You would remember also that both the High Representative and Commissioner Hahn have called on the President to reconsider his position. We, of course, now expect all political leaders and institutions to let the democratic process run its course, and this includes also the election of the new speaker, which we would like to see without any delay.